How to fix too many friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to fix too many friends issue on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video. So first of all, open up your Snapchat and you can just go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. And once you're here, look for My Friends. And when you go to My Friends, you'll be finding all of your friend list here. So what you can do in order to remove the inactive or unwanted friends is look through your friends and remove the inactive or unwanted ones. To that, you can just go and press on their name. Once done, you'll be finding an option called Manage Friendship. So just go ahead and tap on it and you'll be finding a Remove Friend option or Block. So you can use that option in order to remove them, and that is how you alternatively can manage your friendship to unfriend anyone you don't need on your list. And also you can clear up any old pending friend request. You can go ahead and tap on Add Me section and then decline any request you don't want. And that is it. By cleaning up your list, you'll fix the too many friend request issue in no time. So if this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have got any questions.